Sheriff Norris stalking Khan.
They know Khan is shipping in coke.
They suspect.
And Khan's bringing it in by water.
Surprisingly, the Savage has a few very charming yachts.
Let's find out what boat he is using.
I don't know. Dangerous. I don't need any more heartbeat. I'm on board. Tell me how.
Here's the play. We place an order with Khan for one hell of a lot of cocaine.
Pose as heavyweight buyers.
Get a close look at the goods and figure out which boat he's using.
Well, hot damn, Casey. You might be the sharpest blade in the block. I'm fucking excited. We got this.
Khan's rider is within this heavily guarded warehouse.
Hey!
Took out an arsehole. Kept the whole thing quiet.
Your goal is to locate and secure the detained rider.
Took out an arsehole. Kept the whole thing quiet. Here he is.
Excellent. Now escort them to the boat. Good. Are you certain?
Yeah, but there's never really enough.
Protect the rider. Protect the rider.
With me.
Our task is unfinished. The rider is probably injured.
We are packed! Where shall I fit? Pretty goddamn perfect, guys. The boat's fucko. Which one's it on?
Yeah, I know nothing. Puh.
Okay. It's big shipment. The boat is Olga. She's most fast.
Fast. I like fast. And that's why I'm the fucking man. Draw.
Baker, the Miss Olga is entering Rockay waters.
Wait. Out of the blue? I mean, how do you...
My team is ready. Are we a go?
Hit it. Casey, you run the show. Slide us in there, baby.
Smooth as silk. Guaranteed.
Well, this is quite notable. Baker.
Are we ready on this coke boat, or what?
The Miss Olga has yet to arrive in Rockay Harbor.
Well, the girls and I are ready.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You're going on board?
No. I'm managing this sexy distraction.
After which, our combat team boards from the aft and liberates the powder.
Oh, well, maybe I ride shotgun on this one. Know what, Casey? You jump right in. This'll be one for the fucking history books.
The boat is in, and the candy is hidden on board. Khan's people dropped the ball on this one. It's a pretty fresh situation. We got a window here. Detectives are on their way, and the police are watching the pier.
Boats are nice.
Slip in past the fence. Check the area. Get to the pier. Board the boat. Search for Khan's goods. A Zodiac will get you out. Ready?
Yep.
Go then.
We're in. Ahoy, we see the boat. Miss Olg... something.
Check the gate to the pier. Looks like the best way to the boat.
Nope, I see a piggy. The gate is guarded.
Heads up. Those detectives are already on the way. Bad boys, too.
Oh, the fuckwit locked it.
You need his key.
Right, this little piggy goes with the key, and we follow.
Copy that.
I'm close now. Car park, few piggies, fairly open.
Hold on.
Ladder here. See if I can get up and round to the pier.
Come on. Climb over. Or get the key.
We're on it.
Wow. Looks like a fine day.
The key's in hand.
Then make sure there's no trace of that guy.
We have a problem. They have noticed the guard is missing.
You're inside. The pier is quite close.
Okay, get on board that boat.
Out on the pier, avoid the pigs, and get on the boat. Oh, come along, me hearties. Bring your sea legs. Arr. Permission to board? Ooh, there are stairs. Granted.
Remember, we're working off rumors. We don't know what's hidden where.
Give it up, Mistress Olga. We know you have it. What's the old battle axe hiding? Stick your nose into every one of her nooks and crannies. Ooh, rather tricky down here, isn't it?
Search everywhere, fast.
Shall we? Carry on, team. More to be found. The full stash. Nothing.
Hey!
Should be right there.
He's here.
Detectives are about halfway to your location. Keep cool, but watch your time.
What the? Could've sworn I saw him.
We're in. Oh, God, what a full decor. Aha! The large stash! So that's where you've been hiding. Very naughty. There we are.
They have noticed the missing guard. Move with care and caution. The guards are on high alert.
No fucking noise.
All right, got it.
Get in. I believe she is half full.
Detectives just turned into your neighborhood. Look alive.
Carry on, team. More to be found. The full stash.
You're made. Gotta move it.
With the alarm comes law enforcement. Get ready.
Ah, fuck this!
He's out!
God damn it, missed it.
Collect the remaining cocaine and take it to the escape car. Pick it up and let's move. You have a SWAT chopper inbound.
Entering the security area.
I'm down!
Oh my god! Turn us down!
Good. We have cocaine. Enough to mess with Khan's business.
Take a breath.
Reload.
I'm switching magazines.
Entry team going down. Roger that. Move downstairs.
We're close. The car better be there. Coming through the house now.
Good, let's go.
Quickly, load the coke and move. They are awaiting reinforcements. Push them back, now.
Get in.
One more go for bags? Boss is down. Assist him immediately. That is priority.
Close that down.
Come on!
Oh my God. Gun is down.
Kill!
On your feet. We got work to do.
Mission accomplished. However, the intention on our operations will intensify.
We kicked fucking ass out there. Hell of a job, gorgeous. You've outdone yourself.
Wasn't by the plan. Far from perfect.
What's perfect is that it sucks to be Khan right now.
Glad you're pleased. I'll thank the ladies with a big night out.
Good idea. A shame the sheriff switched it up, but hey, well played.
Sounds like you want to pick up the check for us girls tonight.
Yeah, it's on me. And say hello to Gabby.
LT, this shootout in the harbor.
It was Baker, sir. A full assault.
My, so he stepped in between us and Khan.
There was this woman.
There are no manners, no ethics, no honor.
None, sir.
Well, we will have to teach them both some.
Manners.